Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix camera not working after iOS 26 update. Let's get started. Solution 1. Restart iPhone. Press and hold the volume down button and side button at the same time until the slider appears. Drag the slider to power off the device. Wait for 20 seconds. Press the side button to power on your device. Solution 2. Update iOS. Go to Settings. In Settings page, tap on General. Next, click on Software Update. Here, install any available updates. Solution 3. Clean camera lens. Clean your iPhone camera lens with soft tissue or soft fabric. Sometimes, dirt or stains can affect camera lens. Solution 4. Remove case or accessories. Remove your iPhone case. Sometimes this issue occurs when metallic or magnetic cases can interfere with the camera. Solution 5. Use recovery mode. Connect your iPhone to a computer, laptop, or Mac via USB cable. Open iTunes if you use Windows. Open Finder if you use Mac OS or later. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until you see the recovery mode. Restore iPhone. In iTunes or Finder, click Restore to begin the process. If you have a backup, you can try updating instead of restoring your iPhone. I hope after watching this video, your problem will be solved. Guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.